Technology is everywhere. It's how we work, how we connect, how we live. But this digital world has a hidden side. It's vulnerable. Hackers exploit these vulnerabilities. They steal data, disrupt services, and sow chaos. Learning about hacking is no longer just for techies, it's essential for everyone. Why? Because knowledge is power. Understanding hacking helps you protect yourself. It helps you protect your data. It helps you navigate the digital world safely. Learning to hack is like learning a new language. It's about understanding how systems work. It's about finding their weaknesses. And it's about knowing how to fix them. This knowledge is valuable. It's in high demand. Cybersecurity professionals are needed everywhere. You don't need an expensive degree to learn hacking. The internet is your classroom. Countless free resources are available online. Websites like Cybrary and Hacker101 offer free courses. These courses cover various topics. You can learn about network security, web application security, and more. Forums are another great resource. Websites like Reddit have active cybersecurity communities. You can ask questions, get advice, and learn from experienced hackers. Don't forget about YouTube. Many cybersecurity experts share their knowledge for free. You can find videos on specific hacking techniques. You can also find tutorials on using hacking tools. The key is to be selective. Choose reputable sources. Look for experienced professionals with positive feedback. Practice makes perfect, but you can't practice hacking on real systems. That's illegal. Luckily, there are safe and legal ways to practice. Capture the flag. CTF competitions are a fun way to test your skills. These competitions present you with challenges. You need to find vulnerabilities and exploit them to earn points. Websites like Hack the Box provide virtual environments. You can practice hacking in a safe and controlled setting. These virtual labs simulate real-world scenarios. You can practice your skills without breaking the law. Another option is to build your own home lab. Use old computers or virtual machines. Set up different operating systems and applications. Then, practice your hacking skills. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Hacking is a powerful tool. It can be used for good or evil. As you learn to hack, it's crucial to remember ethics. Ethical hackers use their knowledge responsibly. They find vulnerabilities to fix them. They report security issues to companies. They help make the digital world safer. Never hack without permission. Never steal data or disrupt services. Your actions have consequences. Be responsible. Be ethical. The world of hacking is constantly evolving. New threats emerge every day. Stay updated on the latest trends, keep learning, become a lifelong student of cybersecurity, use your knowledge for good, help make the digital world a safer place.